I'm asking for an office over here in SMTo because I just recorded with Carlos Ponce and also Julio Torres, and now taking advantage that they are having this trip in Mexico from ViTrox, Mr. C. How you doing, sir?
Hi, Joseph. Good. I'm good. Thank you for having me here.
Yeah, well, it's a pleasure, you know.
Mhm.
I had a brief chat with Carlos, and he told me, "Hey, you probably should talk with C, because I know you have global responsibilities, right? So tell me more about it, because I want to go by different steps, yeah, through your process, how you manage everything, and how Bitrox has a global presence, sir."
Well, it's a huge context when you talk about global presence.
Yes.
Myself taking care of the sales, business development, and also the technical support. So what we address ourselves is we are the front line of the team. So we are at the front, getting the sales, handling the service, and then making customers' requirements being fulfilled.
Yes.
So it's a big context, and when we look into the global arena, there are a lot of important things that we need, putting the right people at the right place, having the right strategies. So it's a very exciting, I don't put it challenging, but it's a very exciting things that we do every day. I told my team that we have machine running every second at every part of the world.
Yeah.
Then being able to manage all those machines at every part of the world require a very different strategy. First, I would like to say having a partner, the real partners, the good partners, and the very capable partners is one of the importance to get it running in one countries. For example, in Mexico right here, SMTo, they are very capable. You interview with them, Carlos, and then a lot of people, they are very, very capable. So our partners actually are our eyes, mouth, and ears helping us to grow the business.
Yeah.
So
you know what? It's like a synergy. It's a real collaboration because I recorded with Alex Olivar, from SMTO, and he told me more about the story of the foundation of SMTO. He said, "Hey, you know what? I had this idea to open and go to the market, so I had to go with really good principles and trust in the different personas, in the leaders. And I heard that ViTrox supported a lot of the growth that right now SMTO has in the industry. So it's interesting to know more about it. And for me, that is like is correct, you know, because you are telling me the story how you collaborate and you grow together, guys. Yeah. So it's amazing. It's amazing. I think all the leaders right now, doesn't matter if that is only in EMS or electronics, the people or the leaders are worried about people, right? And I understand that your work is to take care of them, putting the right personas in the right positions, selecting the correct stakeholders. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Correct. And if I were to summarize that, I use few words: right people at the right place doing the right things.
Yes.
And then things will be perfect.
Yeah, exactly, exactly. Well, however, you know, part of the conversation that I had with Carlos is that I know you have really good participation right now in the market in Mexico, and you are about to start with your own office right here, your own organization in Mexico. That's great. That's amazing. I want to be right there once you start with your office. But I know also that you are hiring people in different cities over here in Mexico. It's part of that. You're working together with Carlos to do that.
Yes, yes. Not just myself working with Carlos, but the whole team. The whole teams that are running the Mexico operations are looking into the right candidate,
Yes.
the potential candidate. So the screening goes through by the business development teams, by the technical support teams, the managers of technical support. So we want to see who has the best capabilities to take up this job.
For sure, for sure. No, that's amazing, sir. I think is interesting how you are growing right now. How many years do you have in Mexico right now?
we started in Mexico since 2010.
Yeah.
Then it's 15 years right now.
Yes, I think, and you came across different crises, as COVID pandemic,
Yeah,
and you're still here.
yeah. I mean, serving the customers, serving the industry is not the easy things. Being able to offer the solution to customers is one thing, but being able to have a customers that using our solutions as long as possible
Yeah,
is a
right.
whole new level of satisfactions that we need to provide to our customers.
Yeah, for sure. For sure. That's amazing. That's amazing. Hey, sir. Also, I see you have all your team with you, all the management or global management team. That is what I mentioned before. And I want to record or have a chapter with each of them, because I know you have the global sales leader. You have also your leader for operations, and also, I mean, it's for business, and you have the leader for Latin America for sales. Is
Yes.
that right?
Yes, yes,
Yeah.
yes.
So they are your other personas helping you to manage everything, the global operations. So
Yes. Perhaps I can describe it in a different way is that we have four regional teams:
yes.
North Asia, South Asia and Southeast Asia, Europe, and also the whole Americas team.
Okay, got
Then
it.
LATAM is part of the Americas team.
Mm-hmm.
Every regional, we have the head of the regions in the HQ and also in the regional team here.
Gotcha.
The synergy is that the local teams, when they need anything, quotations, delivery, machines, all those sort of things, we have a team in HQ that helping them. So those teams are running parallel together, hand in hand, to achieve the best synergies. Today, we have our country business development manager from HQ,
Yes.
Ken Sun. He's from the HQ working with Carlos Ponce hand in hand. They are like brothers.
Yeah.
And then we have our global account managers and also the business operation manager. So she have two responsibility on her shoulders, which is Miss Yu. So they are at their own expertise running that. In the HQ, we also have the product marketing teams. So they are like the persons that crafting the best presentation, the best tools, the best brochures to ensure that the salesperson get it to the hand of customers and customer impress it.
Yes.
So they are,
And that is the reality, and that is not about that you are creating or crafting lies, or things like that. It's like you are crafting the real product that you're trying to show up to the market. Because the other day I went to the showroom and I saw your AOEs, your SPIs, and also your X-ray. So it's interesting how works everything, how intuitive, how your team, your different departments are working together to show up a really good added value in the product. So that's amazing, sir. I think how challenging is that for you, to keep them, all of them, working together?
um, it's, I won't say challenging, but uh, it's how we crafted the perfect synergy for the team to be together to work
Yes.
on one thing. The master brains of getting the product ready is definitely our business unit head, the head of the R&D that getting those product ready.
Mhm.
And we are helping them to beautify it to be at the table of the customers to look into that. So your question just now is that how we get those things running together, right? The perfect timeline is very important. As the products ready to roll out, the marketing teams have to take up all the responsibilities to not just preparing the presentation side, the brochures, they have to prepare the go-to-market strategy, how much they sell, does the pricing itself being competitive to the market, is it a customer accepted solutions in that price range. So the product marketing teams does all those kind of go-to-market strategies. Then those package once ready, the sales and business development guys they grab it and then they go to the customer. So
Amazing.
it solve all the challenges that the sales is all about right on time giving the right solutions. So they don't have too much time of like puzzling all the data.
Yeah.
So we give them package here, this is what you want, and to tell the customers, and then that's what customers want to listen.
Yeah, you bet. You bet.
Mhm.
No, totally agree. Amigo, I'm going to stop the conversation right
Yeah.
here. I think we have a lot of material for this chapter, honestly, and I hope to see you soon. Okay.
Thank you.
So please count on me with your new friend in Guadalajara, and let's have a tequila later.
Sure. Thank you, Joseph. My pleasure
Amigo,
meeting you. Thank you for having me here.
it's a pleasure.
Thank you.